Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Science. So today I'm gonna unbox the a budget card reader from SeCro. As you can see, this is a 3.0 card reader. Speed is 480 Mbps. This product is from SeCro. SeCro is not one of the best card reader brands like Transcend or your Kingston or such kind of companies, but this is a good card reader, not the best one. As you can see, the specifications are over here. The best thing about this card reader is this is not as expensive as a very MNC like card readers like Transcend or Kingston or such things, but this thing has both sides of caps, so you can recap it after usage to avoid dust, which is not available in the most expensive card readers also, as you can see. So this is the SeCro card reader. This supports both SD card and micro SD and SDXC. So this is the 3.0 blue color one, as you can see over here, right? So over here on this is the other side. Just keep one thing in mind when you're using this card reader. This is not the most expensive one, but a good budget one card reader this can be. Over here, as you can see, this is the card reader, but when you're using it, you must never put this cap closed like this while you are using it with your smartphone or your computer or laptop, whatever, because in this case this product's internal components gets overheated and this thing can stop working. Rest if you keep this thing open while you're using it. Okay, let me show you. It looks like this SeCro card reader. You must keep it like this in an open way, both the sides, while you're using it, and once you are done, and you will again close it. You won't keep it again open. You would close it completely. Just keep the back side, or means both the sides will be opened when you're using. Like a normal card reader, means the caps are there, but actually you cannot just keep the caps closed like this while using it. Or as I've told you, there can be some kind of overheating issues with this card reader. Or else this is a budget card reader. Not the best one, but nice performance. The cost is, as you can see, around over here. Let me show you one. Yeah, you can see it. You can also see the specs right over here. And then the front ones, once again I'm showing you. Now the 5 Gbps is the speed of this. Now this depends upon what kind of card you're using, what is the amount of data you are transferring, like read or write, or whatever you are doing. It depends completely on that, and what is the type of the SD card, whether it is the basic one or like the higher version one or whatever. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Side, and also hit the bell icon to get notified.